Richard007, and today I'm doing my video on 6 hidden CMD tricks. The reason I call them hidden is because they are very unknown when it comes to compared to other CMD tricks. A lot of people have requested that I do a CMD tricks video. I find no interest in doing simple ones like many other people on YouTube do, so I decided to put a list of 6 tricks that most people do not have, and I think they'll be pretty cool, and I'll be showing you guys right now. I'll have all the information for these ones in the description below. There is no download for this video because obviously it's just CMD. So head over to your CMD, so you can either go to run and then type in CMD, so like this, and just go to CMD, click OK, and there we go. Now we have CMD. Guys, mine is a little bit different than yours. I have modified mine, so it is a bit different. But the first thing we're going to do is color changing. Out of all 6, this is probably the most known one. This is basically going to change the color of how we run our CMD. This isn't permanent, but this is just a one-time thing. So to get the full list of them, just type in color and type in list after that. And you guys can now see we have a list of them. So on this side right here is the side, this is our background. All the numbers are background, and then all the letters are the font. So for example, it gives us an example right there. So if you type color FC, it will put light red and bright white. So if you want, my favorite one is just color A, which produces a black and green background. Sorry, black and green, and then the font's green. By default, my computer puts everything that's black see-through, so you guys can see that now it becomes see-through. But once you've selected a color that you like, then it says right here though, if you put the -T command line, it will switch the default color in your registry. So if you like this the most, put /T, and then it will keep that permanently. Our next trick will be to send a command output to the clipboard. So what this means is we're going to type in a command, and then its answer, instead of popping up on CMD, it's going to go to our clipboard so we can paste it somewhere. This is great if you want to paste in your IP address, for example, to a email program, all your information, and you don't have to enter it in and copy and paste it. This will automatically do it for you. This does work for any command, so to get it to work, guys, just type in the command you want. So I will do the ipconfig. So type in ipconfig, and then give yourself a space. Now we're going to need to do the it's almost like a separator line. It's a complete line going straight down. On my keyboard, it's three keys to the right of the P. It looks like this. A straight line going down. I'll have it in the description below if you just want to copy and paste in. So do that, and then give another space, and type in clip. After done, you should see it. Just do that, and to test that it worked, type in notepad.exe on your CMD. It should open up a blank notepad for you. Hit Control V to paste, and you guys should see that it now has pasted all of the information. Our next trick is to open command prompts from any folder. This is useful if you want to run commands from a certain type of folder. So just go to your folder you want to test out. From here, we're going to open up the extended right-click menu. By default, when you right-click, it opens up this menu right here. I have added in the open command window here to the normal one, but for you guys, what you have to do is you'll have to hold Shift and then right-click. This is going to give you the extended version of your current right-click menu. So near the top, you guys should see an open command window here. Besides that, you should have some new ones like open in a new process, copy list to clipboard, and some new ones at the bottom. So go to open command window here, click that. You guys should see now you've opened it up, but it has the command starting line of whatever folder you selected. Our next one is the command history. So this is good for seeing what previous people have typed in or what your last couple commands are. So type in DOS key EY, then space, and then backslash history. We now can see that my last couple things I typed in. So my last couple of commands were color list, color A, ipconfig, clip, notepad.exe, and then the history one I just typed in. So it gives you your last 5 things that you typed in. So this is pretty cool because you can pull up things that I've pulled up before, and you can see what other people have pulled up. Our next trick will be dragging and dropping files to change the current path. So like the other one where you opened it up, if you want to just change it on your current one, you can take any folder, drop it on there, and you guys can see that it now has changed. Obviously you can't enter, but you guys can see by dragging and dropping, and it adds it there for you. This works for any folder or any file, and so that's our 5th trick. Our last but not least trick is running multiple commands in one go. I think this is probably the most useful trick here. What this allows you to do is run more than one command at one time. So I'll be running the ipconfig, and then to add another one, do a space, and then put the AND symbol. Where is it, my keyboard? Put it twice. So, oops. Put it twice, and then I'll put netstat. And you guys can see, not only does it give it my ipconfig, but it also gives me the netstat information. So again, this is good if you want to do more information at once. Now you can combine them. So using our second trick in this trick right here, we can go ipconfig and go and netstat, and then go backslash clip, and now it will copy it to our clipboard. And that's about it for this video, guys. I hope you guys liked the CMD trick video. It's a bit different from most CMD trick videos you guys see on YouTube. So hopefully you guys liked the video, and maybe I'll come up with a bigger CMD trick video in the sometime near future. Besides that, guys, if you have any questions, comments, or concerns, you guys can comment on this video, tweet me on Twitter, or post on my Facebook wall. And besides that, don't forget to subscribe for some more awesome tutorials and other Windows 7 videos. This is the Hacker 7, and I'm signing off.